So I decided it's time to start thinking about getting the 214 ready for the upcoming winter. And so one of the things that I wanted to do was to update the shoes. See, the shoes, I took them off already. They were a little bit worn out, and I decided I didn't want to go and buy new shoes, but I would beef up the existing ones. Let me show you what I did. Right here are the old shoes. See, this particular one, the metal actually wore right through there. This one it didn't, but what I used was actually an old lawnmower blade from a commercial grade X-Mark lawnmower that I had to replace the blades for a fella. And so I used my plasma cutter and just kind of cut a couple of chunks out of the blade and welded them in place. So that is what I did with the shoes. I mean, just a pretty heavy duty thing, so I didn't want to just toss them out. So I want to show you some pictures that I took along the way, and hopefully somebody else can learn something. I did. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching my conglomeration of videos and photographs of me uh, beefing up the existing shoes for my 37A John Deere snowblower attachment. And the reason I wanted to do that instead of ordering new ones, because the new ones that are available now just don't appear to be as good of quality. They're not as thick of steel as they once were, not as thick as what I added to it using that lawnmower blade. Those are commercial lawnmower blades, by the way, so they were a little thicker than some. Also, um, they're like 25 bucks a piece if you buy them. So 50 bucks for a pair of shoes. When I happen to have the scrap metal laying around and the tools to make it happen myself, I'll save the money. So it gave me an opportunity to play with my new tools. So I'm talking about my plasma cutter and my welder. So love working with that stuff. So hey, if you learned something, then my job here was successful. I learned something and I had fun doing it. So if you don't mind, give me a subscription and we'll see you next time around. Thanks much.